Bugün yanımızda Makary var. Kendisine çeşitli sorular yönelteceğiz. Welcome to Turkey and welcome to Istanbul.
Thank you. Thank you.
So we got a couple questions for you. The first one, can you define Megagen in three main features?
Yes. Well, Megagen implants have multiple features, so it will be difficult just to put them in three main features. But if I think about the three main points that make this implant different from others, I would say the first point is the microgeometry of the implant and the thread design, which make this implant able to give a very good initial stability. The second point might be the surface treatment, that is a unique surface treatment that makes this implant osseointegrate faster than other implants. And maybe the third point would be the beautiful connection. They have the unique platform that makes it very easy and very stable on the long term and give very good aesthetic results.
So as a follow-up, what are the most fundamental elements that make an implant successful?
Today, the need in implantology has changed compared to the 80s or the 90s or even the beginning of the years 2000. Implants now have a function, and this function is to give immediate aesthetic, immediate loading for the patients. It's like in orthopedics. Today in orthopedics, is if you have a broken foot, for instance, you will need to walk as soon as the first day. Nobody will put a cast and stay in his bed. So in implantology, it's a little bit the same thing. The seek is to go for immediate loading, for accelerated protocol. And the features in Megagen implant of giving this high primary stability, this enhanced osseointegration, makes it the perfect implant and the perfect tool to do this accelerated implant protocol
Thank
and
you for
immediate
answering.
loading.
Thank you very much. Now, you have a very successful career. So
Thank
let's
you.
go back to first day in your profession. So can you give the young version an advice for the future itself?
Well, when I first started implantology in the 90s, it was a totally different era. Today, the doors are widely open for digital dentistry. There is a lot of progress in implantology. And my advice for these new generation is to embrace the new changes, is to profit from all of this digital revolution, artificial intelligence, but also by relying on science, on scientific data, on clinical expertise. And this is how they can succeed in their life and they can be the leaders of implantology for tomorrow.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Bizi dinlediğiniz için teşekkür ederiz.